Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. Okay guys, so I've already imported a video of some chickens into my timeline, which I'm going to use to help demonstrate today's video. So I have two files in here that I'm going to use to demonstrate this. So we have the first one, which has a white background and a logo. So I'm going to scrap through it so we see how the logo animation looks like. So yes, very simple animation, nothing too much, a very simple animation. So let's take, for instance, somebody designed a logo for you and did some animation for you, and it has a background, but you want to add this logo to your video. Now, as you can see, as I added it to the video, you can see that the white background is still there, but we want to just have the black in there. We don't want to have this white. We just want to see the black inscriptions. So how can we take this white background out and just leave this alone, so that when we play our video we can just see the logo alone and not the background as well? So I'm going to start with this white one, then afterward I'll show you how to remove the background of the black one also. So for this, it's very simple. First of all, let's select a clip in the timeline and let's go to our inspector channel. When we come here, let's come down to composite. Now when you come here, you see composite mode. That is where you're going to do the effect. So you're going to click on this arrow here, and all these ones do different effects, but what we are going to use today is the darker color. The darker color is the one that I've seen work best with this particular effect. So I'm going to select the darker color and we are going to use that. So when you select the darker color, now when we play through, you can see that the background has been removed. So if you have a logo and you want to remove the background and the background is white and the logo is black and you want to remove it, this is the best way to do that. So I'm going to show you how to go about the one with a black background and a white logo as well. So let me delete this and bring in the black one. So the same way I'm going to play it. As you can see, we have a black background there, which is something we don't want. So I'm going to go back to my composite, and this time around I'm going to use add. I'm going to use add, and that is what I've seen works best with this particular file or this particular design. So when you click on the add, you can see that our background is gone and we are just left with white. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Let's go.